So I put a homemade harness on my cat because Karina made it for the rabbit, but it was too big. So we put it on Oreo because it was just the right size. And I put him down on the ground, and he stood there for a second, and then he took a few steps backwards and meowed and flopped down on the ground like that.
Safe to say he does not like the harness.
He will wear a collar, but he will not wear a harness.
Note taken. I got thinning shears.
But we're going to keep trying. And she got thinning shears for the rabbit.